Yep, I love spam, right? Ready for another spam video? Well, often during the holidays, no one thinks of spam, but you can make some great, cute hors d'oeuvres very quickly with things you have on hand, with some spam, some cheese and crackers, and maybe some jams. So I want to show you just how easy it is. So we'll open this can of spam. Supposedly it tastes like bacon. As usual, we're going to use our handy dandy spam slicer. Right there. Okay. Just going to, we have them all nice individually cut. There we go. So we're going to use our slices. So this is bacon spam, or bacon flavored spam. Doesn't matter what spam you use, it will still taste great in the hors d'oeuvres. I just think though, it does matter. You know, you could put it on raw, but I think it tastes a lot better if you fry it up and get it brown on both sides. Now we're just gonna get these a little brown on each side. Be back when it's time to turn them. Okay, we're going to flip it over. There, it's starting to get it brown. We'll be back when they're brown on both sides. Okay, I think they're done. They're nice and brown. Now we're going to let them cool. This is a little tin of cookie cutters or pastry cutters. And I'm going to use the star cutter. So let's do a star right here. We have our little spam star. Little edge there. Maybe we can get about 2 to a thing. We just put this right. Again, I'm just pushing it through. And you know what we'll have to do with this part? That's right, we gotta eat it. But that tastes a little like bacon. Okay, and just clean off your edges so you get a nice star. Here's some of our little stars. Thought maybe we'd try some of my Sun Gold jam on these. If you'd like to know how I made the Sun Gold Thyme jam, I have a video on it. Click in the left-hand corner or go down below this video and I have a link. So good. Yes, 2017, about time to use it, huh? Okay, we're just going to put a little bit of good jam. Doesn't that look good? Then we can have a couple strips of cheese on it and one of our little, maybe we'll put just a dab of more of our little right there, and then put that on. There, doesn't that look festive and nice? Okay. Then we can take our decorative little toothpick here and put it through. Okay, and then we can just put some cheese. You could also put an olive, which would be green. That would be nice for Christmas. Just stick it in. there you have it. And you can just stick it on a Ritz cracker or any cracker you have. There you go. Doesn't that make a nice one? Now, I really like these crostini, it's garlic crostini, and when you put this jam on it, it's just delicious. But you could put whatever you want on it. You know, onion jam would be great too. And you can have it just without the cheese at all, just like that. Or you can have it like that with your cheese too. I think you get the idea. You can really have a lot of cute treats with your Spam star. I think it makes a really nice little hors d'oeuvre. So here they are, all made up. I think the sun-gold tomato jam really adds to it, but onion jam would be great. Maybe just mustard, maybe mayonnaise, whatever you have on hand. And then your little Spam stars, little cheese cubes. I mean, you can really do a lot of cute things very quick with Spam. So now, how about a taste test? Oh, it's so good. You know, crunchiness of the crostini with the slightly sweetness of the tomato jam, and then the Spam. Really, really delicious. And probably nobody would even know it's Spam, but boy, does it taste good. Okay, big bite there at the end. But these are really easy to make. I think they are really cute. And wouldn't that be nice on your platter? And everybody say, oh my gosh, what is this? And you just smile and say, oh, kind of a family recipe. But nobody would know you made it with Spam. So I'd love to know if you have a creative way to use Spam for the holidays. I'd love to hear in the comments below, or you can email me a picture. You know, most people just don't think of using Spam during the holidays, but you definitely can. I hope you are having a wonderful holiday season, and remember, please subscribe, share the knowledge, and thumbs up if you like this video.